Hello, welcome to online lecture of advanced serving subject. In this video, we are learn about part of Theodolite and their functions. Theodolite has many parts which need to be adjusted every time while serving. It is important to know about Theodolite parts and their functions before you use it to minimize error during the Theodolite serving. In this picture, we can see the various parts of theodolite like telescope, vertical circle, index frame, the standards, the upper plate, the lower plate, the leveling head, the shifting head, plate level, tripod, plumb bob, and magnetic compass. Let's see in detail about the component part of theodolite. First one is telescope. The telescope is pivoted between the standards at right angles to the horizontal axis. It can be rotated about its horizontal axis in a vertical plane. The telescope is provided with focusing screw, clamping screw, and tangent screw. Next one is vertical circle. The vertical circle is rigidly fixed with the telescope and moves with it. It is divided into 4 quadrants. Each quadrant is graduated from 0 to 90 degree in opposite direction with the 0 marks at the ends of the horizontal diameter of the vertical circle. The line joining the 0 marks corresponds to the line of collimation. The subdivision of the vertical circle are similar to these of horizontal circle. The vertical circle can be clamped or finely adjusted with the help of clamping screw and the tangent screw provided along with the telescope. Next one is a frame. It is also called as standard or a frame. 2 frames are provided on the upper plate to support the telescope, the vertical circle and vernier scale. These frames are also known as a standard or A-frame. Verniers. These verniers indicate on index bar or T-frame. The index bar is provided on the standards in front of the vertical circle. It carries 2 vernier, vernier C and vernier D, at the 2 ends of the horizontal arm. The vertical legs of the index bar is provided with a clip screw at the lower end, by means of which the altitude bubble can be brought to the center. Upper plate. Upper plate contains the vernier scale A and B. It is attached to the inner axis. Its motion is controlled by the upper clamp screw and the upper tangent screw. When the clamp screw is tightened, the vernier scale are fixed with the inner axis, and for the fine adjustment of the scale, the tangent screw is rotated. Lower plate. The lower plate is attached to the outer axis and it is also known as scale plate. It is beveled and scale is graduated from 0 to 360 degree in a clockwise direction. Each degree is again subdivided into 2, 3 or 4 division. Thus, the value of one small division may be 30 seconds, 20 seconds or 15 seconds respectively. The lower plate is provided with a clamp screw and tangent screw which control its movement. When the clamp screw is tightened, this plate is fixed with the outer axis. For fine adjustment of the lower plate, the tangent screw is rotated to the extent required. The size of theodolite is designated according to the diameter of the lower plate. Next one is leveling head. The trivate, foot screw and the tri-branch consist of body which is known as the leveling head. Next one is tri-branch plates. Tri-branch, it is a triangular plate carrying 3 foot screw at each ends. Tripod with plumb bob. Tripod is using for fixing or mounting the theodolite on it, and plumb bob is used for the centering the instrument. Thank you very much.